Just for your information, guys, I actually just came back from getting my braces off and I am now wearing retainers. So if I sound a little weird today, it's because I'm still learning how to talk with retainers, and something tells me I'm going to sound something similar like this for the next 6 months or so, because at this point I actually have to keep my retainers on at all times except for eating and such for at least 6 months. So yeah, is the way I'm going to sound going to absolutely suck for the next 6 months? Most likely, but we're just going to have to deal with it. So alright. Let's get into this unboxing of the iPad Air and the Apple Pencil 2. So this iPad Air right here is the iPad Air 5th generation, the one with the M1 chip, and it is the 64 gig Wi-Fi model, because who needs cellular in an iPad? And also, I mean, the type of stuff that I'm going to do with this doesn't really require all that much storage. It's just, I need enough just to do Photoshop, like, that's pretty much it. Maybe download a movie or two here and there, but I mean, for the most part, I don't need that much storage. And, well, I kept finding so many use cases that I could use an iPad for, but the problem is they were so minor that it made me really question justifying the purchase in the first place. But here we are today. After I got my braces taken off and these put in, I happened to have went to Target while waiting for my retainers to be made in the first place and found this on sale. Since this was on sale, along with this, the Apple Pencil here too, I decided, you know what, it's on sale right now in brand new condition, I think I'll get it. And that is exactly what I did. So we'll start off with unboxing the iPad Air here first. All right. Ooh, this one's got a lot of friction to it. Does not want to come out. I have to shake the box. Alright, this one somehow managed to get real tightly packed together and does not want to come off, so I'm going to have to pry this up myself. This is not typical of Apple packaging. And here we find the iPad Air itself right on top. So we'll pull this up and set this to the side. Not exactly all that airy, but it does feel thin, I'll give it that. Alright, here we have documentation designed by Apple in California. Where are those Apple stickers? Come on, I need the Apple stickers. Give me the Apple stickers. There we go, there's our Apple stickers. And also we happen to have a charge brick that came in the box. You don't typically see that anymore with a lot of stuff today. Then we have our USB-C to USB-C cable. It's not braided, however. I really would like those things to be braided. And that appears to be the rest of what's in the box. Time to tear this thing off. Here we go. Just like that. So, let's see how much charge is in this thing. Wow. This thing's a lot bigger than I predicted it to be honest. And this isn't even the biggest screen that Apple makes on an iPad. Alright, so this thing's now booting up. While we're waiting for this to boot up, oh, it just booted up right there. I suppose that's the M1 chip, so that means it'll be extremely fast. So let's start the setup process. Alright, so at this point, I just logged in with my Apple ID, just waiting for it to finish setting that up. Well, that thing's happening because it's taking its sweet time to do all sorts of things. Let's actually unbox the Apple Pencil. Alright. It's a pull tab here. Another design by Apple in California thing. I highly doubt there are stickers in there, but ooh, here's the pencil itself. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Alright, oh, here we go. The iPad just finished up, and I don't think there's anything important in the Apple Pencil box left, so let's just slide everything back in. Let's finish setting up the iPad. Welcome to iPad, let's get started. Woohoo, there we go. All right, and now I'm going to finish unwrapping the Apple Pencil here. So let's get that unwrapped. There we go, just like that. We have our Apple Pencil. Let's connect that to the iPad by slapping it there. There we go. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Yeah, I don't need to practice sketching and such, but alright, there's that. And ooh, it appears we got some settings and such that we need to do. Oh, finish setting up the iPad and such. Yeah, well, you don't need to do that right now. Evidently, I can't go home with the Apple Pencil. That's kind of weird. But alright, I guess that just concludes the iPad unboxing right here. I guess I have some things I'll have to customize. So yeah, I guess that's my iPad Air right here. There's not much else to talk about because I gotta finish setting the rest of this device up. And you guys probably aren't going to see this device that often, except maybe when I'm reading notes during videos, because one of the use cases I've come up with for using this was note-taking, or not exactly note-taking, but reading notes off of this device and such. So you might see this occasionally in a few videos, but other than that, I can't really think of that much else. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. Do me a favor and interact with the stuff below. My name is DeWolf, Random Alpha, signing out.